Hi and welcome back to the next video. Now this part is all about installing the authority links section. This is all about the author box. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to work through it from beginning to end so you can see exactly what to do. Now the first section up here is the Google Plus page. Now what you need to do is put in here your Google ID. So to find that, all you need to do is you need to have a Google Plus account for this, obviously. So all you need to do is go to the top here. You can see Google Plus. And you can see the little numbers here at the top. That's your ID. So all you need to do is come down and paste that into there. So that's that part set. So you need to select the author that you're going to be using. Now this blog's only got one author. It's a fresh install just to show you how to set this up. So it's just admin. Now the next section is the author's bio. Now this you can have as short or as long as you want. You can really customize this with this plugin, but what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tick short for now. Now the next this little bit here is about the contact me. Now a little bit later on I'm going to show you how to put the social networks like Facebook, Flickr and everything in there. Now you can change this as well if you want to contact me at, or my favorite networks are, you know, you can put whatever you want there, but I'm just going to leave it as a standard default as contact me. Now the second one is the icon size. Again, these icons relate to Facebook, Flickr, etc. I'm going to leave them at mid-level, so that's 24 pixels. Now you can have as up to 32 pixels or down to 16. Now here you can select which networks you want to display on your author page. Now I'm just gonna leave it as Facebook. I'm gonna take Flickr off. I'm gonna leave Google Plus on if you can. I'm gonna take LinkedIn on. I'm gonna leave Skype on. Take Twitter and YouTube off. So I'm just gonna leave those three just to show you how they work. Then you can either have them at the bottom or the top of your author page. Now I'm gonna leave top ticked because obviously you want everybody to see them. Now the author settings. Now for the author box, I've been using author box. It seems to be picked up, and I don't know why, but it gets me listed a lot quicker. So I'd suggest using author box, but you can use any of these other settings as well. Now byline, what that does, it adds the author into the byline of your theme. If your theme, you know, does have a byline. Footnote. Now what you can do is you can, if you tick this box, you can have like a rich snippet of code at the bottom of the page, and it'll tell you when it was updated by, and it'll show the last updated, you know, date prefix at whatever time it specifies. This one adds in the menu, so if you've got a single author and using menus, you can it'll allow you to specify the relevant author tag. So that would be myself from the Google Plus ID. But as I said, I'm using author box. I prefer to use author box, but you can use which one, you know, whichever one you want. Now at the moment I'm going to leave these blank because I'm going to set these on the user page. Now once you've set the user page, it's kind of set as a default. Now you can automatically change it on the fly using these different settings here, but I'm going to show you those in a minute. Now if you want to show the author box and pages, you can tick here. And now if for example you had a couple of pages here that you didn't want to show the author box on, all you need to do is control and highlight, and it'll not show them on those pages. Now at the moment I'm going to just leave it to show. Now show on front page if you wish, or not. Now the last part here is the Authority Links Pro Archive settings. Now these determine whether you're adding the authority links to your category, tag and other archive pages. Now what I would suggest is put it to the bottom and put author name, so it'd be last updated by admin. Now show archive intro. Now you can have the box above if you want a plugin to give the opportunity to go to a paragraph at the top of the archive pages. Now I've not been using that. Now you can if you wish, because a lot of WordPress themes already have that option, so I'm just leaving that out. So that's all you need to do for this part of the plugin. Just click Save Changes. So that's all set up. Now what you need to do is you need to go across to users, click on all users, and you need to go to your profile. So you can see my picture there, and you need to click edit. So you can see, because I ticked Facebook, Google Plus, Skype, they've come in here. Now if I'd wanted to tick Twitter, I would have been able to put my Twitter ID and everything else there. So all I need to do then is put in the information you want to put in. So you could put you could put your Facebook page in, your Facebook profile, whichever you want. I'm just going to put Facebook in just for now, so you can just see how as it is. Now this is my Google Plus profile ID, so all I'm going to do is put that there. My Skype name is Melanie Group. Now here you need to write a little bit about yourself. As I said, this is just a test, so I'm just going to put a little bit in here so you can see the plugin working. So that's all I'm going to put is hi. Now obviously you need to put a much more detailed bio there. The more you can put in, more interesting this author page is, more click-throughs you're going to get. Now here you can, if you tick this box, you can use this short code here. So you could display the author box wherever you want on a page. It's kind of a short code link. Now this is the exact same settings that I said we were going to leave till this part. So now here, preceding author's name, you can put about, so it'd be about admin. Obviously it's better to have your own name there, Richard Fairbairn for example, so it'd be about Richard Fairbairn. You could call it all about, whatever you wished. Photo size of default 60. Now you can make it bigger or smaller than that, but I would suggest leaving it at 60. Now the colour of the author box, you can select a colour just by, if you want for it to stand out a little bit. And here you can put a link tag. So this goes in your author's box. So for example, I could put a link tag to, I'll put it across to WP. So WP authority links, I'll just put in the URL. So I could just put something simple like preceding link is get author status using, then it would highlight your WP authority links. Now you could put some more bio about yourself, and here you can put in any kind of images you wanted to. You could put, if you had a specific product that you wish to show off on this page, you could put it here. It just works exactly same as a visual editor, exactly same as you would do a post. You can insert images, text, anything you want. I'm not going to do that now, but you can do that. So all you need to do then is create update profile. Profile's updated. Now all we need to do is go to one of the posts. As I said, it's a fresh install, there's nothing here, so it's just hello world. So I'm just going to open that one up, and if it's done correctly, here you can see the author box. So it's about admin. As I said, it's much better to have your own name, for example Richard Fairbairn. Hi, my name is Richard, I'm involved in SEO since 1996. Obviously the more you put here, the better it's going to be. And this is the link tag that I put in, getting author status using WP authority links. So now that'll display on any pages, any post that you want it to, and you can disable it from showing on certain pages and posts as well. Now to go to the author page, all you need to do is just, if you click on admin, now you can see it's brought up my author page. Now as I said, the more information you put here, the better it's going to be. You've got your links, what I set up for Facebook, Google Plus and Skype. Now obviously you've got all the other ones you can add there as well. You can make those icons a little bit bigger, you can add text, you can add images here. So you can really customize your author page. So that's all you need to do to set up this section of the plugin. But what you do need to make a couple of extra steps to make sure that you get author status, and I'm going to show you that in the next video. So once that's all done, leave that and then move on to the next video.